The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 8. This is Program 10. Lesson topic, What does he want to know? Produced by Surafil Zode.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Students, Tola is sick today. Don't worry, Tola. You'll be all right soon. Azib has gone to call the doctor. Oh, here they come.
Hello?
Hello, doctor.
What happens to the boy?
I don't know. He has a severe headache.
He has also a fever.
Let me see. Oh, he has a fever. Could you please give me a paper?
Here you are.
Thank you. Okay. Boy, what's your name? Tola. How old are you, Tola?
14.
Good. Where do you live?
Kabali 2.
Okay. What do you feel, Tola?
Severe headache.
When did the headache start?
Yesterday.
What did you do yesterday?
I played football.
Did you play in the hot sun?
Yes.
That's why you feel so. Now, take these tablets and have rest. You'll be all right soon.
Thank you.
Students, did you listen to Tola and the doctor? I hope you did. Now listen again. Listen.
Boy, what's your name?
Tola.
Azib, what does the doctor want to know?
He wants to know what his name is.
Students, what does the doctor want to know? Azib?
He wants to know what his name is.
Students, what does the doctor want to know? All right. Now listen to the doctor.
How old are you, Tola?
Students, what does the doctor want to know? Azib, what does the doctor want to know?
He wants to know how old Tola is.
Students, what does the doctor want to know? Yes, he wants to know how old Tola is. Students, say, he wants to know how old Tola is. Say again, students. He wants to know how old Tola is. Good. Listen again to the doctor.
Where do you live, Tola?
Azib, what does the doctor want to know?
He wants to know where Tola lives.
Where do you live, Tola?
Students, what does the doctor want to know? Azib,
He wants to know where Tola lives.
Students, what does the doctor want to know? Yes, he wants to know where Tola lives. Students, say, he wants to know where Tola lives. Say again, students. That's all right. Students, now you are going to do an activity with your teacher. Teacher, please ask 3 students to stand up and then make student 1 ask student 2 a WH question. And then you, the teacher, ask the 3rd student what student 1 wants to know. I repeat. Teacher, please have 3 students stand up and then tell student 1 to ask student 2 a WH question. And then you, the teacher, ask student 3 what student 1 wants to know. For example, student 1 asks student 2,
How old are you, Abebe?
then you, the teacher, ask student 3.
Azeb, what does Tola want to know?
Then student 3 will say,
He wants to know how old Abebe is.
please follow your teacher's guide. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Azeb, where is Tola?
He's in the other room. He's all right now.
Oh, good.
Azeb, are you studying?
What does Tola want to know?
He wants to know if I am studying.
Azeb, are you studying?
Students, what does Tola want to know? Yes, he wants to know if Azeb is studying. Students, say, he wants to know if Azeb is studying. Say again, students. He wants to know if Azeb is studying.
Azeb, do you have a pen?
Azeb, what does Tola want to know?
He wants to know if I have a pen. Tola, yes, I have a pen.
Is your pen red or blue?
Azeb, what does Tola want to know?
He wants to know whether my pen is red or blue. It's blue, Tola, but it's my sister's pen.
Oh, do you have a sister?
Yes.
What does he want to know?
He wants to know whether I have a sister.
Is your sister a student, Azeb?
What does Tola want to know?
He wants to know if my sister is a student. Yes.
Can you give me your pen?
Azeb, what does Tola want to know?
He wants to know if I can give him my pen. Tola, come here and take it yourself.
Okay.
Now, teacher, please have 2 students to stand up. Then student 1 asks student 2 a yes-no question. And then you, the teacher, ask student 2 what student 1 wants to know. For example, student 1 asks,
Do you have a pen?
then you ask student 2 what student 1 wants to know. Then student 2 will say,
She wants to know whether I have a pen.
or
She wants to know if I have a pen.
do the activity with as many pairs of students as you have time for. Please follow your radio guide. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, that's all we have for you for today. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
You've been listening to English for Grade 8, Program 10, written and produced by Srafil Zode. Join us again next week in Program 11. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.